Cassey Ho has transformed the fitness landscape, encouraging everyone to embrace movement and self-love from home. With her engaging Pilates routines, Cassey inspires countless individuals to break barriers and find joy in fitness. Her journey began in 2009 with captivating YouTube videos, blending effective workouts with upbeat music that ignited passion. Cassey's approach reshapes how we view exercise, making it fun, accessible, and an integral part of life. More than just workouts, she promotes a holistic vision of wellness, emphasizing mental health and body positivity. As an award-winning entrepreneur, she created POPFLEX, a unique activewear line combining style with functionality and comfort. Her audience spans from beginners to seasoned fitness fanatics, all drawn to her vibrant, inclusive community spirit. Cassey's app, Body by Blogilates, extends her reach, providing tailored content that suits diverse fitness goals and lifestyles. She uplifts others with powerful messages encouraging them to embrace their journeys and celebrate their body's uniqueness. With each workout video, she fosters a sense of community, encouraging viewers to push boundaries and grow together. Cassey's quote, "If you want it bad enough, you'll find a way to make it happen," resonates deeply with her followers. Her effective teaching methods focus on clear instructions, ensuring people of all levels can join in and succeed. As a pioneer in the digital fitness world, Cassey remains committed to making wellness both engaging and attainable. Her journey from aspiring doctor to fitness influencer showcases her dedication to following her passion and true calling. Cassey's radiant personality shines through every interaction, creating a sense of relatability and encouragement for her audience. Transform your fitness experience and embrace the journey with Cassey Ho, where movement meets empowerment.